So this task is related to list. It says consider a list and you can perform the following commands: insert, print, remove, append, sort, pop, and reverse. So all these commands belong to the operations in the list. Let's see the example what you have to do. So n is 4, that means 4 commands we are supposed to execute. Append 1, so array will be 1. Append 2, so 2 elements in the array. Insert 3, 1, so that means insert 3 at the first position. So 0 1 3 has been inserted. Print, so print the array. Let's see a sample input. It says, oh, we have 12 operations to perform, right? Insert 0 comma 5, okay, and then insert 1 10, insert 0 6, print it. So 6 5 10, all the positions are okay. Now print it. Okay, so we will have to perform all these conditions, and I believe we can do it with the help of if and else conditions. So let's quickly do it. Let's have a blank list for line in list. Okay, sorry, not list is empty, so we'll have to iterate the values. So let's I would say let's begin from 1 and let's go to n plus 1. Okay, and let's see. So I would say input val, it should be input. So I have taken, so every time I will take input and I will just process it. That's what I'm gonna do. Line array equals string of input val dot split. So what I did, I have splitted it with the help of space, so that I can get the command and get the values separately. Now let's write the command. So if line array, so line array, the first element. So let's see the first command. If the first command is insert, then what we will do is list dot insert, and line array. So the first element will be the position, and the second element would be the value which we're gonna put. Okay, let's see the second condition. So in line array, the second condition is so the next one is about print the value. So let's print it. Okay, print lst. Okay, now the third condition is to remove the values. Okay, so let's remove it. If it says remove, then what we'll do, we'll have to list dot remove and remove this particular value which is at index 1. Next condition is we will have to sort the values. Okay, no, we'll have to append the values. So list dot append, and line array 1, we can append it in such a way. Next is to sort the values. In order to sort it, we'll have to write list dot sort. Yeah, and next one is pop. So that means to remove the element from the list. Let's check the condition. If it is pop, then list dot pop, simply remove the last element. And at the end, we have to reverse the list. Let's perform this action. Okay, let's run the code and see how it goes. Str object cannot be interpreted as a string. So probably the input which is coming from here. Okay, this is a string object and we are splitting it into the values. So where we want to have integer values, we will have to convert it into the integers. So let's quickly do that. So everywhere we are performing the operations with the list, like we are adding something or we are removing something, everywhere you will have to convert the values to the integers so that it can perform the operation. Okay, I guess all are done. Let's run the code again. Okay, it worked. Let's submit it. Both test cases worked fine. Let's move to the next code.